Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split images for Instagram Grid in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This will bring up a menu with various design options you can choose from. In the search bar that appears, type Instagram Post and click on it. This will open a square design canvas that's perfectly sized for Instagram, giving you the ideal workspace for creating your grid layout. Once your canvas is ready, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where Canva stores all its powerful integrations and tools that extend beyond the basic design features. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type Image Splitter and click on the Image Splitter app when it appears. This tool is specifically designed to break down large images into smaller sections that you can post sequentially on Instagram to create that stunning grid effect. Now, you'll see an option that says Choose File. Click on it and select the image you want to split from your computer. Make sure the image you choose is high quality and has enough visual interest to work well across multiple tiles. Once your image is uploaded, navigate to the Split Preset section and select Grid. This preset ensures your image will be divided evenly across multiple squares, maintaining consistent proportions for Instagram. Next, you'll need to configure how you want your image divided. Set the number of rows and number of columns based on how you want your grid to appear. For example, if you want a 3x3 grid, you'd set both to 3. This creates 9 individual tiles that will form your complete image when viewed together on your Instagram profile. Once you've configured your grid dimensions, click Split Image. The app will now process your image and divide it into the specified number of tiles. After the split is complete, you'll see all your individual tiles ready to use. Here's an important part. Click Add to Design on each image tile. As you add each tile, you'll also need to create new pages in Canva for each one. This keeps all your tiles organized in a single project file, making it easier to manage and download them all at once. Once all your tiles are added to separate pages, download the images from Canva. Then simply upload the tiles to Instagram in the correct order to reveal your complete grid image on your profile. And that's it! You've now created a split image grid for Instagram using Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.